In this video, we'll show you the complete rundown of how to install the 1.5 meter S4 soft eye hand-driven anchor. Please note, this method is only recommended when a small number of anchors, i.e. 10 to 20, need to be installed and a hand-tight tension is sufficient for the application. If a large number of anchors are required to be installed and/or the engineer requires the tension to be quantified, please refer to the S4 soft eye 1.5 meter electric driven video. Unpacking the gear, you'll find the S4 anchor and the 1.5 meter soft eye wire tendon, a 90 cm drive rod. You'll also need a tape measure for recording the extension achieved, a sledgehammer, spray paint, earmuffs, safety glasses and gloves. Let's get started with the installation process. Before driving the anchors, always check for surfaces that may be buried below the surface. Firstly, spray a mark where the anchor is to go. Fit the drive rod to the anchor. Drive the anchor into the ground with the sledgehammer as close to a 90-degree angle to the ground surface as you can. Then simply remove the rod from the ground. Thread the drive rod through the soft eye and tension until hand tight. Please note, in this video we are showing a single person tension, however a person pulling either side of the drive rod will help. You can usually expect around 100 to 150 mm of extension depending on the soil conditions. The Platipus soft eye anchor is now ready to connect to a rope or a chain.